Hello guys, this is the review of Chaoba 2800. I just got it from Flipkart and I wanted to show you all. So here you go. This is the first accessories from inside. Luckily I got 3 of them. This is the main kit. This is the second accessory. You can see the size different. This is the professional one. This is the unprofessional one. Has a nice build quality. Has 2 controller of air and 2 heat controller. This red button over here, if you don't need hot air, then you can just press it while you are blowing the hot air. This has a 2 meter long wire with it and fine grip. I've used Philips before this, but this is far more better than that. I got it in 624 rupees. It has no notification over here. Whatever we get it in Chinese, but that doesn't matter. This is of no use. Thank you.